Hi, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Autofill. Firstly, open Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill and tap on Google Password Manager. Following that, select this plus next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations. At the top, type in website data or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!